Akiaria hindi ya mathomo kuri maabitha a borithi, munini wa kaunti Commander Joseph Tanui augite mathomo maya ni meguteithiriria maabitha a borithi makiria hindi iria marathingatithia watho wa curfew na kurangira mihaka niguo kugiriria andu kuingira kaunti iria ciekereirwo mukana.
Secondly, a training. I've been part of several training me myself, and I've seen it works. So for today, we have our presenters today presenting you with the latest in COVID-19.
Gikundi kia ene micinga ihinda-ini riri rithomithitie maabitha 4,600 kuma kaunti 26 guku bururi-ini guku makiuga maabitha kaunti-ini ya Kericho nio magukorwo makiamukira mathomo ta uria Samuel Onyango muikariri giti wa gikundi giki aratariria.
We are actually sensitizing police officers. We've been doing this for the last 4 months. We've gone around the whole country, and we are now moving away from Nairobi and other areas, coming deeper into Rift Valley, in trying to see how well we can bring in the latest information that has been provided to us by the Ministry of Health. This is all an initiative taken up by the National Gun Owners Association, purely sponsored by its membership. Through its members, we've been able to come out and support the police by giving them the right information and donating what you can donate to them, being things like face masks, things like a few sanitizers, which we got from the ministry, a few face masks, which have been bought by some of our members.
Oho, gikundi giki kiheanire uteithio wa irebeko na matangi ma mai kuri ceceni itiganite cia borithi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na kuria a Kenya kurumirira mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni thirikari kugiriria gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
Habari zenu.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Narok, Governor wa kaunti ino Samuel Tunai augite thirikari ya kaunti ino ni hariri itada itanyihire 300 cia arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 thutha wa mundu rumwe mukunyitikana na murimu uyu guku akiuga andu 500 kaunti-ini ya Narok nio mathimitwo murimu wa corona.
The national and county government have all agreed that each county should have in place at least a minimum of 300 isolation beds over the next 30 days. At the same time, our administration has also embarked on measures to construct an isolation facility in one of the existing health centers to cater exclusively to COVID-19 isolation and treatment cases.
Mwena-ini wake County Commissioner wa Narok Samuel Kemiti ni arutete mukana kuri andu aria maragarara watho wa curfew na kuga ni magutacokirio makinya make watho.
Ni wakati wa sisi wote kujikasa na hata sasa kuchunga na kuzidisha bidii ile tuko naye ama ile tulikuwa tunafanya, tuongeze kukasa sasa, kwa sababu tukiwa tuko na kesi kama hiyo inamaanisha it is not business as usual. Mambo sasa area hii lazima watu wajihadhari.
Tauni-ini ya Suswa kaunti ino ithimishia muingi ni ciambiriirie guku nao maabitha a borithi magitigirira ati gutiri mundu wina murimu uyu agukorwo agikinya kaunti-ini ya Narok. Handu-ini Hakameme TV ritwarekwa ni Wambui wa Maina.